out. I hear we got some side bets going on.
Josh has called me out on Facebook.
On Facebook?
On Desert SXS.
I didn't know this.
On the
I didn't even see this. Oh, okay.
He's like, I'm calling Chad Nelson out. And I'm like, yeah, we got to go out to the track. And he's like, you know when the track day is. And I'm like, Dallin, when are we going to the track? He's like, 30th. So.
Yeah, then he asked me which car I wanted him to bring. I told him, bring whatever you want, man.
Bring whatever weapon you got. Bring whatever you got. I got the Turbo S. So $100 at stake here.
$100.
Okay.
He agreed.
Well, let's see who's the fastest today then.
All right, we'll see.
I mean, do you have any confidence? You've never taken the Mav Art out here, Chad.
It turns pretty good, so we'll just see what happens.
It's a good track card. As long as you don't break,
Should
no
be
drive shafts.
around the time of the Pro R, I'm thinking.
Yeah. And then Josh, we know he can throw down,
Josh
so
has just been out
I
here
mean,
running laps.
he's
while
got
we've been
laps on
working.
that thing, and
He comes out here every day.
he secretly comes out here. That's why the ruts are so deep.
Dude, it's so rutted out. Like, and it's funny because every time I go down there, it's the same pattern of his tire.
Yeah, it's interesting.
It's just
I throw 7 tires a week.
Oh, a week.
I'm like, I'm a Colorado guy.
Well, all right, let's see this. Throw down some times. All right, here goes Josh. Power steering. Dusted me out again. Not getting that. Ooh, that was a good jump. He cleared it good. He greased it good.
Realize it's just easier to handle than $100.
Just hand over the $100. Don't wreck the car. He is like he overshot that, and then he two-wheeled it right there. It's getting wild. $100 is getting aggressive. Rip it, Chad, in the Mav R. First guy to do a hot lap. First one in a Mav R to do a hot lap. Oh, he's sending it. Chad's burning. Thing's quiet. Silent killer. Maybe. A little bit of buck. Ooh, a lot of bit of buck. All right, Chad's coming through. Coming in hot. Look out.
Nice work, Chad.
Oh,
yeah.
Is that a record? How fast?
record in a Mav R.
What was it?
Okay.
5:10.
5:19. Wow. Let's all get on the same page and say he got a 5. What's his track record? Like 5:28, I think, with the Pro R. So 26. So let's just say a 5:27. See what he says. All right, Chad. What do you think your time is, brah?
I don't know. I felt like I was being a little cautious.
A little too cautious. You don't want to hurt the drive shaft like me.
Yeah.
A little bit worried.
I'm gonna say 5:30.
So your time before was what? A 26 in the Pro R?
Yeah.
Is that what it was? So 5:27. The Pro R is faster.
Wow. I felt like I was being a little cautious.
5:19, bro.
Oh.
You crushed it.
Nice.
5:19, dude. That is insane.
All right.
Oh, snap.
You just have to like ignore the first time ever. Like
No, we never give you the right answer hardly ever on the first one. Dude, 5:19 is insane.
What's the track record right now?
15.
I didn't even bring it.
You are 4 seconds off of track record first time out here on the track.
I feel like I could do it. I feel like I was being cautious.
I honestly felt like you were a little bit too. Like I could see that you had more aggression available.
Yeah. I just don't. I'm like, dude,
It's just scary.
I
Like,
want to break the transmission. You know?
well, it's that, and then like if the car had been out for 2 years, yeah. Like if you break it, you get a part, next week. But right now, like I'm waiting a month because they didn't have a part in stock.
Yeah.
It just sucks because of that part.
I'm timing my cars right. Like one's down, the other one's available.
You gotta have. We're almost at the point where we have to have 3 cars.
Speed's in the
Like,
shop right now.
Speed's
Can-Am's
bro.
available. Can-Am's at the shop. Speed's available.
And I'm doing the opposite. Like Pro R isn't broke down because it doesn't seem to want to break. And then the Mavar is broke down. So I got the Pro R today.
2 cars.
You have to have 2 cars if you're going to do first-year cars. It sucks, but it's true.
If you have the Turbo S, it seems like you can just bring it out here. And
For the rest of its
It'll be
life.
fine.
Yeah. All right, Josh. Josh. Well, how do you think you did?
I feel like I lost my money.
Why is that? Just cause?
Yeah, it just wasn't a good lap.
Just wasn't a good. Another bad lap.
Yeah, it just wasn't a good one. So
All right,
it's not
so-
my day.
Not your day.
I think you are the closest person to have sent it over that hill to me.
Actually breaking it.
Yeah.
Without
So how did
breaking your
that
car.
feel when you lawn dart it on the other side?
Yeah, going that way into this valley right here.
That's scary.
I said, oh,
You pulled out of it better than I did.
We saw you on
That is the Pro R.
We saw you on some side 2 wheels too.
Yeah.
You were getting it.
it wasn't a good.
You could tell you were flustered because after you did that, you came out of here and you were like, "Brr, that's
Yeah,
the
it
wheels."
wasn't a
I'm like,
clean
oh,
lap
he's
at
mad.
all.
He's mad.
Bad lap. So 525.
25.
So the Mavar takes the win.
$100.
The Mavar shows up
$100
and
bill.
you get slower, Josh. You got slower just because the Mavar showed up.
Sweet, dude.
Oh, dang.
I've never won money in a race before.
There you
There we go.
Hey, that's awesome. Good grudge match today.
I think next time we're gonna come out here with different suspension, maybe,
Yeah, I think both are gonna have different suspension.
and then we'll try again.
Maybe I'll be invited to this grudge match too with mine.
Next time.
Absolutely, bring it on.
With my suspension on mine.
Should I take the $100
suspension, don't you?
and challenge Dallin?
Yes, 100% right now.
Today? For today
Right
or
now.
for
No, right now, today.
No, when you get your Mavar.
when I get my
Let's
Mavar?
go right now.
Mavar to Mavar, you're saying.
Mavar to
I
Pro
think
R
you
right
take
now.
that and put it towards your suspension.
Hey, I will put into the kitty.
Oh, wait. We got stuff going on. What's going on?
Actually, all 3 of you. Somebody let's put some money together. I want to see
I'm
all 3
good.
of you.
I haven't broken my car today,
You're
so
not gonna break it. You're
I'm
good.
good.
That one's gonna run. You're gonna run. You're gonna run.
They already did run.
We're gonna do it for more money. You're included.
More money, new parts.
Another run, all of us, or you just want me to run with their to see if I can do their
All
time?
3 we're gonna
I
do
think
for the
Dallin
lap.
should run.
That one, you're gonna go first. He's gonna go second. He's gonna go third.
So we're all doing another lap.
I'll do it.
So we're doing a coin of me or Josh first. Is that
Yeah,
what it is?
yeah.
What are you?
I'll call it heads.
Okay. Ray caught it. Fast hands.
To do it again.
Oh,
it fell
he
off.
dropped it again.
Just let it
put
drop.
it down.
Just let it drop.
Still heads?
Yep.
It's heads.
Heads.
All right. Here we go.
See what you got, Josh.
All right.
I just really want to see him come back with new suspension.
We're just trying to get him
I
riled
love
up
you,
for it.
Josh. All time, everybody.
All right, so we're gonna do a Ray. Get in here, just a sec.
I'm not in it.
No, you're the one that started this grudge match.
I'm
So
the small
grudge.
one.
So Ray got this all started. He wants to see me, Josh, and Chad all do a hot lap. Right now, we only get 1 lap try. So if our car breaks or something happens, power steering goes out or whatever, right? We're out, right? It just is what it is. Fastest lap. So you're putting in 20. I'm putting in 20. Is that all we're doing? So just 40 bucks on the line.
I got 50.
Oh shoot. Josh is getting aggressive here today. So there's 50. So there's 90.
$90.
We got 90 bucks on the
Chad will
line.
put money in.
I'm sure Chad will put some money in. So we're gonna grudge match it up. So me and the Pro R 2.
Who's holding the cash?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Because he's the slowest one. He can't get away with the cash.
I didn't even side by side. Too slow to make away with the money.
Hector, you don't hold the cash. Why Hector? He's too slow to make away with the money, man.
Pink and Kevin.
He doesn't lift.
He's not lifting.
He's not lifting.
He's not lifting on that.
Don't drive this course, though.
Oh, it's so easy to overdrive.
That's the whole point of it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good. That first section. That's cleaner there.
Oh, he checked up better this time. Last time he overshot that.
That thing's so all there's rocks.
Just rocks is all you hear, no motor. Oh, he's all over the place. Woo! Dude, he is moving in the Mav. See how this old Mav R does through the rhythm. Is doing good. You have to go so slow, these high horsepower cars through there. Man, he turned on that thing like a dime. Oh! He overshot the table. Silent killer right here.
My money's on Dallin just because home field advantage.
It's home field. It's his track.
Josh's got more laps than me at this point.
But Chad's out here in his first
Chad's got the least advantage.
in a stock car,
But he's got a Mav R.
and he's what 4 or 5 seconds off you.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be close.
If Chad wants, if Chad's willing to commit and not worry about breaking his car, he's got the win. No way. So now he's a 5.6. 3 people timed it. Wow. Point 0 of like. Wow. Josh, you threw down today. So far, Josh has got the win right now. All right. Oh, dang it. I got a race today.
I'm only getting half of it back though.
You gotta take your track. You're tied with the track record right now.
Yeah. There's a lot I have to prove right now.
That's a 5.16, 13.
There's a lot to prove.
Yeah, right.
Said you better win, Josh.
I blew 2 tires.
He got 2 flats.
You blew 2 tires.
That's what he said.
I blew a lot of corners.
Oh.
But that was a really fun run. I blew a lot of corners, but I'm just like, wah! You know, going right into it.
You got 2 flats?
5:15.5.
Yeah, that's fast.
What do you think? If you may guess.
Did I beat him?
Close.
Oh, probably 5:17. 5:16.
5:16, and 4 of us all timed you within the thousandth of a second.
Yeah.
So you got you by half a second.
I blew so many freaking corners.
Man, it's hard to run a quick lap when you're in
At least it didn't break the rim like Dallin.
The rim's broken.
Is it?
Yeah, right here. Something got into the wheel.
Oh, that's a groove from before.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's
Oh, okay. So
Yeah, we all have that. We all have that.
we all have that.
All right, Dallin's getting himself hyped up. Here we go.
Corner bad.
Okay, so let's all say 5.17.
5:16.7.
5.11.
Oh, damn. Music playing.
I'm not slow.
What do you think?
I overshot like
What do you
10
think you
corners.
ran?
5:21 because I've done so many of those.
Should we tell him? 5:15.7.
Really?
I'm kidding.
5.11?
New track record. We all had 5.11s.
What?
And you blew the corner like a.
I blew like 3. Really
Whatever
bad.
corners you blew, they worked good.
They worked. I'm gonna blow more corners.
Yeah! That's insane.
I may have broke my car doing it. But
Chad broke his too.
some broken cars over doing this. Well, thanks. Thanks, Ray. Thanks for Josh. Thanks for
Wow,
Chad.
that was impressive.
Hey, Ray made it happen. He pulled out that 20 and.
Huh?
I didn't think he had a chance when he blew his corner over here.
Me neither.
Because you were way up on top of the hill.
I didn't think I had a chance at all. Like, I really didn't think I did good at all. I'm very shocked. But I was in it to hurt my car.
New
You
record.
could tell you were driving mad.
Like, yeah, I was like, dude, I just cannot have a Turbo S beat me. That's stopped. Like, that's just all there is to it, you know? Once he puts that suspension on, I feel a little bit at ease, you know, if he beats me, but a stock Turbo S just cannot beat the Pro R. It's just embarrassing. Even if he is a better driver. So.
That was impressive.
Huh? That was awesome. All right, things got crazy. Sucks for Chad. Broke his wheel. But man, the times have changed here. A 5:11 now. When we used to think a 5:26 area was really fast, I mean, we've moved it up more than 10 seconds. I think a big reason why I did do better was I realized I put a new bushing in it, and I think that bushing's been out for a long time, and I was always getting kicked to the side, and my car was driving a lot more straight today. So really stoked on that time. Josh, way to go. You made me have to step it up because of your time. And then Chad in the Mavar, wow, stock car, and first time out there on the track with that car, 516. That thing, it's a fast car. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Also, if you'd like to get some cool shirts, some merch, or give me my $2, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching the channel, and thanks for all your support. Stay tuned for the next one.